Hey, John Crestani here, internet multimillionaire, and how would you like a method to earn money online without having any technical skills, any internet skills, any marketing experience, any money, and be from any country in the world, even some weird countries like Nepal? Well, the money is real, and you can have it sent to your bank account, you can have it sent with a check, or via PayPal using this method. And I'm going to show you how you can make as much as $558 a week with just following 3 simple steps. Now, for those of you that don't know, Yelp is a very popular website out here in America and around the world that hundreds of millions of people use every month. And you can make money from these people. The people that use Yelp buy products all the time. And you can be one of the people they buy products from through your links. And I'm going to show you the 3 steps to getting money from people who use Yelp. I'll be walking you through each of these steps on my computer. The first step is going to be joining an affiliate network, which is a company that pays you money when you promote products. Again, they will pay you via check. They'll mail it to your address. They could send the money to your bank account, or they could send the money to your PayPal account, whatever you choose. The second step will be joining Yelp. This is a free site, so you don't have to spend any money during any of these steps. And the third step is you will be sending messages to people. I've already crafted messages that convert. So you don't have to have any marketing skills to figure it out. You don't have to have any technical experience to figure it out. And I'll be going through all of this right here on my computer. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make money from the internet without spending any money yourself, without having any technical skills, any marketing experience. You can do this anywhere in the world, whether you're on a phone, a laptop, computer, tablet, whatever. This is stuff that is timeless and very easily to do, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. But if you're on a computer, even if you're on a mobile phone, I suggest you go to this page, which is johncrestani.com/resource. This has the step-by-step-by-step process that we'll be following in this video to actually make money online. And I'll be showing you exactly how you'll get paid and where the money's coming from and how you can choose which way you get paid, whether you want to get paid through a check, whether you want to get paid through a bank transfer to your bank account, or whether you want to get paid through PayPal. Let's get it. But before we get into the video, please support this channel and subscribe. Subscribe to me and make sure you enable notifications. When you enable notifications, you'll get notified of our weekly, every Monday morning, live stream where I do question and answer session, and I'll answer all of your questions about how you can start earning money from home. Now, I've made millions of dollars, over 20 million in fact. I have multiple acres out in Malibu, which I own, a horse ranch in a very expensive part of Los Angeles, and I've been able to live an absolutely amazing life. If you want to learn more about my story of how I've made money, you can check out my story on my channel here. I talk about all my ups and my downs and how I've been able to get to where I'm at. But if you're more interested in hearing from my students, you can check out their stories right here. We have young, we have old, we have women, we have men, we have people from all countries over the world. Pertez from India, Mike, this guy's from France. People all over the world are making money. Some people make a couple $1,000s, some people make a couple $100,000, and some people make millions of dollars like Brian right here with affiliate marketing. It just kind of depends on how much of a beast you are in doing this stuff. So once again, the link to the resource file is johncrestani.com/resource, and that'll take you to this page, which will show you all of my current free traffic methods. But the one we're concerned about with is Yelp right there. So you'll want to click on that link, the link for Yelp, right there in this file, and that'll bring you down to the Yelp section. Now, Yelp has over 142 million users that use it monthly. It's a business review site, And I'm going to show you a really cutty, interesting way to do affiliate marketing here for this specific market. So the first step is you'll need to get your link. So you'll need to either register for Digistore or you will need to register for ClickBank. Okay. Now ClickBank is the company that will pay you money. They will pay you money one of two ways. ClickBank only pays through check or through a bank wire, whereas if you use Digistore, Digistore will also pay you via PayPal if that's how you would prefer to get paid. So you can work with either of these companies. They will both pay you. They both have a long reputation in this industry. ClickBank pays out $500 million a year to affiliates, and Digistore pays out $250 million per year to affiliate marketers like you. So once again, if you're skeptical, because only 1% of people generally take action from these videos, if you are skeptical, look these companies up. They're big companies. They have a lot of people that work there, and the reason is because a lot of affiliate marketers make money with these companies. So for ClickBank, we'll use them today. You will go over here to the sign up button right there. Okay. So you'll click this sign up button and you'll sign up with ClickBank. And once you are inside of ClickBank, you will go over here to the marketplace. Okay. Right over here. Okay. And you can see how much money you earn each week by looking at your sales over here on this side of the screen. Now, this is updated every day, and this is one of many affiliate accounts that I have and use for, just for my marketing. So it's not necessary to have multiple affiliate accounts. In my case, I have a number of products and all this other stuff. So you'll be concerned, go to the marketplace. Once you are in the marketplace, you'll want to go over here to where it says find products, and you can type in my last name, Crestani, right there, and then click this little search icon or the magnifying glass right there. Okay. Now that will bring up my product called the Super Affiliate System, which pays out on average $562 every time you make a sale. Okay. So what you'll do to get your link is you will click this button which says promote right there. And you'll get a screen that looks like this. Now, in this case, what you'll do is, I like to add tracking IDs. This is sort of a pro tip, but I'll write Yelp message 1. Okay. And then, we could do Yelp message 3. And just leave it set as the default link, and you click generate hop links right there to generate your hop link. Once you've clicked that, you will get your link. Here's our link. We could do one of two things. We could just highlight it and copy it, or we can click this icon right here to copy our link. Now, the way affiliate marketing works is that when users click on your link, it will show up in the, if you want to check if people are clicking it, it will show up in the reporting tab that somebody clicked on your link. And when somebody purchases from your link, it will show up in the dashboard as a sale. Okay, so that's how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy our link into this notepad right here. So I have this saved. Now the next step is we're going to need a website to share with people. We want to have a pre-sale page to help make people more interested in purchasing our product. So here is where we go to step number 4, which is we will need to copy a web page to send to people. So here we have a file. Well, this is a website, and you want to click on File in the upper left-hand corner, and then click Make a Copy. Okay, right up there, right? Once again, File, Make a Copy, and then you just click OK. What's great about this is these links you'll be sharing are within Google, so nobody bans Google links in any methods. So it's a pretty useful way of doing things. Then what you'll do is you'll go down here and you'll want to change this link to be your own affiliate link. And how we do that is we click on the link once, we click on this edit icon, and then we delete the link that's in there, and then we paste the link that we created. As you see, it says Yelp message 3. And then I will click apply. The next step is we kind of do a loop-de-loo, and we go up here to the share button, okay? Right up in the top right of the screen. If it's restricted, nobody can see the link. So we'll need to select that, and we'll need to select anyone with the link, okay? And then we copy the link right there, copy, and then we click done. Now I'm going to save this link now to this file in my notepad. Now the next step is you want to go to Yelp.com. And Yelp.com, again, this is free to sign up for Yelp. It doesn't cost any money. And you'll just go to the sign up button right over there. Usually their site is red. I think they're supporting the Black Lives Matter movement or something like that by changing their background. Now, once you've signed up for Yelp, what we're interested in is a particular type of business. And what you'll want to type in is employment agencies. Okay? Employment agencies. Just like that. What you can also do is you can click this link down here. So again, we're under the Yelp method on the resource file. You can just click on section 15 for employment agencies. And employment agencies, for those of you that don't know, are used by people looking for a job. Okay, they connect people with jobs. Okay, that's what employment agencies do. So the people that work with employment agencies want jobs. The issue is that there aren't enough jobs to go around in the world. So we should be offering folks things that they could do for a job. So let's open up a few things. So let's open up, okay, we see there's 54 reviews of the Elizabeth Rose Agency. So here's 90. Oh, wow, there's a lot more. So let's just go with Elite Placement Group, which is an employment agency. And we'll click on this. We want to look at their reviews. And what we're interested in here is we're interested in looking at the actual people that have reviewed this. So here we see a number of people. We see Crystal, Brian, Alana, Cindy, and we'll message them all. So let's send message, and we'll just say, hey, okay? Doesn't really matter how you say hey. And we will use one of these message templates. So we said we're going to send message 3, so let's copy this message and send it to her. So this message won't make us any money, but I'll show you how to make this message make you money. Is we want to replace agency with what the agency is. So I'll type in Elite Placement Group, and we replace the link with our link. So again, the link we saved was this link. So we'll copy this, boom. Then I'm just going to copy this message again. And then we just click send. Boom. Our message has been sent. It's that easy. Now let's see how fast it takes to send other messages. Send message. And so on and such forth. And as you can see, this whole process, you can send out about 100 messages in 1 hour. And you can start earning real money online. It's not very hard, okay? It's not very hard at all. What it takes is work, and it takes effort. And I recommend you test messages if you really want to get good at this. Now, if you need more support, check out some of our student testimonials. They're amazing. Listen to their stories. Understand that this is real, that you can really start making money online. I've made millions. You can too. If you want even more support, join our Discord forums. As you'll see, there's 41 people active right now. They're online right now, and we have sections to discuss affiliate marketing, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, and apps. We even have a success story section where people talk about how they made their first money. Here's a user who made his first $1,000 online using my methods as a complete beginner marketer in his first month. In his first week, he made just $68. But in his last week, he made over $900. Okay? And he figured out how to do it, and he followed the methods that I teach. And people talk about their stories in here. So again, if you don't trust me, if you don't believe in me, check out the proof. This stuff works. The biggest thing holding you back right now is likely your own skepticism, your own inability to believe that there are ways that you can make money that aren't tied to your time. 1 hour of work can truly be worth $500. You just need a good system to doing so. 1 hour of my time is worth thousands of dollars because I'm very good at what I do at this. So you can do that too with the leverage of the internet, with the leverage of performance marketing, and the leverage of a good system to do so. So I suggest you put this stuff into action. Go out there, have fun with it, play around, but enjoy the process. If you don't enjoy the process of marketing and reaching people, you're not going to be able to stick with it. And I suggest you unsubscribe from this channel. But if you are committed to the process, you'll enjoy it. And you'll keep doing it until you start making money like all these other folks that have been killing it. So once again, thank you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the like button, and make sure to comment down below if you're in the 1%. Type in 1% if you are going to join the 1% of users who take action. I am the 1%. You can be too. Have a good day.